All right, students, Mr. Wagner here. I want to show you something. We are learning about temperature, we're learning about heat, and there's this thing called the kinetic theory, and the kinetic theory basically says that all matter, everything that has mass, is made up of molecules or atoms, and the more heat or the more energy they have, the faster those molecules move. Now, it is a theory, but there's a way that we can explain this, and I can prove to you that the more heat something has, the faster the molecules do move. Let me show this to you, and I think it'll help us understand this a little bit. So right here, I've got two beakers and a nice white background to kind of help us see what's going on. And I've also got a little bit of blue food coloring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the blue food coloring. You can see one beaker is on the heater and one beaker is not on the heater. And according to the kinetic theory, the one that's got more heat, the molecules should be moving faster. So it's not boiling yet. There's a few bubbles forming, but it's not boiling. This one is just room temperature. Let's have a race and let's find out which one of these things the molecules move through the fastest. So we're going to put one drop of blue food coloring in here. One drop of blue food coloring in here. And let's have a little race. Remember, the one on the left, since it's hot, the molecules should be moving faster. Sure looks like they are moving faster. The more heat they have, the faster those molecules move. You could say that those molecules have greater kinetic energy. So, since it's got greater kinetic energy, the molecules move faster. That's pretty neat. Well, watch this. I'm going to take this off. And we said that these molecules do not have as much kinetic energy, but let's give them some kinetic energy. And let's see what happens when we do give them some kinetic energy. Watch the blue down at the bottom once we start giving this a little bit of kinetic energy. It's going to take a moment, but look, we just added kinetic energy to that blue food coloring, and now the molecules are moving around like crazy. So when you add heat to something, you actually increase the amount of kinetic energy that those molecules have. Anyway, I thought that would be kind of fun for us to see.